I'm very happy to receive my results. To be very honest, I did not study about 7 or 8 hours a day as a student who gets above 90, 94, 95 would do. But I just studied about 2 to 3 hours a day.
How UT has helped students, I would like to just explain you with an illustration. Consider student as a matchstick. Now, if you see sunlight is spread everywhere. But if a stick is lying anywhere under the sun rays, it will not get ignited. Okay. Now, if you want that stick to get ignited, we need a magnifying glasses who catch and collect all the sun rays and concentrate on the tip of the sun's matchstick. UT has acted as a magnifying glasses. He has collected all the sun rays, concentrated it to a tip of the matchstick, and it is ignited.
Actually, he has joined UT. He has got potential, but the UT has developed interest of studying more in his. So he has been able to excel. And
He helped me a lot, and the vacation program was really helpful. It helped me do something constructive during my holidays. And my special thanks to Sir Biju George, who helped me a lot, and to all the teachers at UT. They were really helpful. They were available 24/7 for the students, and I suggest all my juniors to join UT.